Okay, so this is my ENME 351 Lab 3 recording. So I'll go through the pre-lab first. VA equals 3.33 and VB equals 1.67. That's based on the voltage divider equation. The error in the processing code is the /t forward tab, which doesn't line up with the comma in the Arduino code, so that would have a bit of an issue moving back and forth between the two. And then the radius for the circle here is 5 based on the parameters in the ellipse function on processing. If we take a look at this Arduino code from the lab, we know that the max for the potentiometer is 1023 and the min is 0, and that's based on the analog limitations. And then let's take a look at the first sketch for the processing. If we quickly play that, we'll see that the dot can go in any which direction depending on the position of the potentiometers. Okay, close that one out. And we can go to the second processing sketch. And this one, I added a few different parameters in order to change the shape and color of the dot here. And then if we take a look at the third sketch, we'll see that the circle can now not leave the window here on all four sides. And then if we go to the fourth sketch, we'll see the gradient or the color palette for the entire window has changed depending on where the potentiometer or the dot is located. And I believe that's it for the first section of this lab. Here you can see the next exercise for lab 3, where we were asked to have one of the potentiometers measure the value, and then at the end of the window here should reset to 0, and it does. And this is all based on the rightmost potentiometer. Here is my processing sketch for the second part of lab 3, where we were asked to create a sketch that would erase all of the different shapes that are apparent here in the image provided in the lab. It takes a little bit of time in order to fully erase everything, but that's just because we, or at least I did not have the push button available in my lab kit. So after a little bit of time, we'll be able to see that all the shapes are erased. And that's that.